Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are looking 11.1. It means 11th chapter construction. That construction means we will construct the angles, triangles. So first question is that construct an angle of 90 degree. So first of all you will be draw a line or a ray, and then you will be take a distance in your compass approximately 1 or 2 centimeter, and then from here, from this point you will be make an arc with same point, with same distance. Now from here you will be make arc. Now from here with same distance you will make arc, and then from here also you will be make an arc. With same distance from here you will be make an arc. That is a 90 degree. 45 degree. That is 45 degree. You will be do similarly that. How to that 90 degree? First of all you will take the distance of approximately 1 or 2 centimeter, and then you will be make arc. With same distance you will make a one arc here. With same distance from here you will make arc, and then here also with same distance you will make arc. This is the 90 degree. And then after from here you will make an arc, and then from here you will make an arc. This is a 45 degree. This will be 45 degree. Then third question, first part 30 degree. This is the 90 degree. This is the 45 degree. This is the 30 degree. So 30 degree, how you will be do? Similarly, you will be make an arc, one ray, and then from this point you will make an arc by any distance. This is the 1 or 2 centimeter by your, and then after from here, and from here you will be make an arc here also, and from here also. That will be 30 degree. And then 22 and a half. 22 and a half. So first of all you will be draw that 90 degree. You can do 90 degree easily, and then 45 degree, half of this from here, that will be 45 degree, and then half of this one from here and from here also, that will be 22 and a half. This will be 22 and a half. And then 15 degree. 15 degree, this will be draw a line, and then from this point you will make an arc by 1 or 2 centimeter. With same distance you will make an arc here and here also, and here also. It means this is a 30 degree. Now we need to 15. So from here you will make an arc, and from here you also make an arc. This will be 15 degree. Now fourth question, that will be construct the angle and verify the measuring, then protractor, and then you can measure with protractor also. That first part is 75 degree. 75 degree. So first of all you will be make 90 degree by same process. This will be 90 degree, and then after 75 from here and here you will be make arc, one from here, one from here, with same distance. That will be 75 degree. This is a 75 degree. Next is 105 degree. Same process is there. 105 degree, that is also same process. One line and then 90 degree, and then from here you make an arc from here also, and from here this is a 105 degree. Then after third part is 135 degree. 135 degree, that will be third part 135. So that will be, first of all you will be make an arc and then 90 degree, no need to 90 I think, and then third arc also you will be do here, third arc also, the 60, 120, 180, and then from these 2 point you will be cut that. This will be 115 degree, 150 degree, and then from these 2 point, from this point you will make arc, and from this point you will be make arc. So this is a 135 degree. Fifth question, construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. Suppose you will be write a distance, it's your choice how many distance you are taking. Suppose 5 centimeter you have taken, that is better, B, C, and then take the distance of this one in your compass, that 5 centimeter, and make an arc from here and from here also, and then join these 2 points. This is the A point, this is the equilateral triangle, so this will be also 5 centimeter, or this will be 5 centimeter, right? And then justify the construction, and then you will be, now you will be measure this side, this side, this side, all side will be 5 centimeter. Okay.